So you want to grow from 0 to 100,000 followers in the next month or two? All you have to do is stick around, follow this step by step, and I promise you, you will grow. You ready? Let's grow. What's going on, guys? Carl Bomb over here, and I will be helping you growing on TikTok the correct way, all the hacks, everything you need to know. Follow my videos step by step, and I guarantee you, you will grow. If you want to grow for starting a YouTube channel, or starting your own business, or just getting an audience, or just being TikTok famous, as everyone says, it doesn't matter. Follow this step by step, and I guarantee you, you will get 100,000 followers in the next month or two. So step number one, I said in our previous video, and I'm going to say it again. Firstly, choose your niche. Decide, are you going to make comedy videos, dance videos, satisfying videos? It doesn't matter. This helps for any niche, any language you speak, it doesn't matter. So after choosing a niche, go onto explore page and look up, let's say you choose the comedy niche, search comedy and look for popular videos. If you see a popular video that's trending, that's got millions and millions of views already, TikTok knows that they have an audience for this content and the people like this content. So all you have to do is, I'm coming in new year, don't you worry TikTok, I'm gonna duet or stitch this video. That's all you have to do. Duet the trending video in your niche or stitch a video in your trending niche. That's all. Easy as that. And then to add a bonus to get even more views, use trending sounds. Go onto the explore page, look what is trending at the moment, the sounds that are trending, and put that in your videos, in your duet and in your stitch, the trending sound. It's gonna blow up more and even possibly get more views than the original video that you duet. And then in the last 3 seconds of the video, show them by script or tell them, click the plus sign to see more or something like that, so people do follow you, because that's what we want. We want 100,000 followers. So remember that, plus sign followers, plus sign followers. Then the best time to post at the moment is, it is June, July school holidays. So here it is, 10 to 12, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m, 2 to 4, and then after 7 p.m. As simple as that. You can play around by not posting on that times, but this is the times that has been working, and this is the times that will be working for the next month to maybe till the end of 2021. So post on that time. In the metrics you want to hit, if your video is 0 to 15 seconds, you need 100% watch time. 16 to 30 seconds, 80% watch time. 30 to 60 seconds, 60% watch time. And then you need to hit that metrics. And then another thing is, this is very probably the most important metric on TikTok by far. The people that are completing your videos. You need people to watch 100% of your video. That shows TikTok it is an interesting video. So TikTok will send it out more and more, and you'll go more viral and more viral, and you're gonna wake up and you're gonna see 1 million views, 2 million views. You can be like, whoa, this thing was on 1,000 views yesterday, now it's 1 million. How? It's because you got the 100% completion rate. That is what you need. And the last thing I'll talk about is, if you're under 100,000 followers, post 5 to 6 times every day. You cannot skip one day. So it's going to take a bit of work, but it doesn't matter. 5 to 6 times. If you really want 100,000 followers in 2 months, end of July 2021, even it can happen in a week. That's the power of TikTok. You can never say when your video is going to go viral. It can be your first video, your 10th video, your 20th video. It doesn't matter. It depends on the quality and the trendiness of your videos. So post 5 to 6 times every single day. You cannot miss one day. It doesn't matter where you are, if you're on holidays, if you don't have your phone, try and make a plan. You need to post 5 to 6 times every single day. And that's it. It sounds so simple and it sounds like, yo, but this can't work. This is, I promise you, do this. And then comment down below if you've tried this and your video has gone viral. This is what I want. I want you guys to grow. I'm making these videos for you guys to grow. That's what I want. So comment down below if you follow these steps and you've gained more followers than you have now, more views than you're getting now, because that's what I want. That's going to motivate us all, and we're all in this together. Remember, we're all in this together. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's grow. Cheers.